MEA superimposing images. In Brainwave 4, we can superimpose images onto our MEA viewer to make it easier to localize the electrophysiological activity. Here we have opened a recording of a cerebellum slice and are using the Advanced Workspace. To superimpose an image, go to the MEA Marker Layers window and open the MEA Image Layers tab. Here we see the biochip layer. To add another layer, click Add Image and select your file. To make it easier to resize our image, we can open the Advanced Settings in the MEA viewer and click Layout Settings. Here we can zoom out on our stage to see our images better. By clicking and dragging on the image layers, we can reposition them. As we can see here, our superimposed image is larger than the biochip layer, thus we should resize it. To resize an image, open the MEA Image Transform tab and click to enable the Free Transform. Now we can see the white boxes around the edges that enable image resizing. By clicking and dragging, we can resize our image layer. Free Transform can also be enabled by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-T. Once we have resized our image, we can return to Free Transform and click the checkmark to commit the transformation. Additionally, the image layer can also be manually adjusted by clicking to adjust the values. Transformations can also be cancelled, undone, or redone. Returning to our MEA image layers, we can adjust the positioning of our layers by clicking to select the layer and clicking Send Backward or Bring Forward. To optimize the visualization of our data, we're going to send our superimposed image back. Additionally, layers can be hidden by clicking on the eye icon. Now we're going to adjust the opacity of our layer by double-clicking on the value and setting our transparency of the biochip layer to 50. Now we can see our data and the superimposed image. Additionally, we can modify the visualization settings by hovering over the bottom right of the color scale and opening the lower thresholds. We're going to turn on the cutout values and do the same for the upper thresholds. With the cutout values enabled, we can hover, click, and drag to cut out the pixels with lower activity. And now we are left with the most active pixels. This visualization setting is optimal for recording and exporting videos. Once we have finished customizing the visualization of our image layers, we can change our cursor to enable regular pixel selection by going back to Select Pixels and clicking the icon. Now we will no longer be able to click and drag to move our image layers, but clicking and dragging will select pixels on our recording.